Hi, my name is Sohana Arni, and I'm the Director of Marketing Design for 3D Printing. Thank you for tuning in to our Illuminating Insights series. I see customer insights being used in a way that sort of helps mold and shape our products. Customer insights get incorporated into our development process by seeing what trends are actually happening in the market space and how we can adapt. 3D printing is actually an excellent example of how we can act quickly and very nimbly to some of those requests and demands. We use customer insights on a specific project for 3D printing by doing a logo request or a design imprint on the actual product itself. This is answering the customer's needs directly and in a very unique value proposition way. I'm excited for this insights tool and database because I think it's going to be a very powerful piece of information for people company-wide. Thank you for tuning in to our Illuminating Insight series. Your voice matters, and we hope to hear from you soon.